Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by downloading your new defaults. When you finished, go into Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select the default apps. Now just click on one of those categories that you wish to manage. In my case, browser. Lastly, click on your new app that you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!